3, 2, 1.
Flip text effect with an Adobe Illustrator. Very powerful and very simple effect. Now, let's start our work. First, we need the text. Here I'm choosing the letter H and the letter L, so we're going to use HL. We're going to enlarge it, and then we're going to take a copy of it. Here we're going to change their colors. One we made yellow, and the one we took earlier we made black to match the background color. Now we will hold both of them together with the help of Selection tool, and we will go to Blend and click on Make there. Then again, we will go to Blend and click on Blending option, and here we will select Pen. We'll take the specified steps. Now, right-click the mouse and click on Isolate Selected Group. Now, move the top layer to the bottom layer. This is very easy. You see, this work is not difficult at all. Now go to the keys on the left side and click on Free Transform. Some options will open in front of you. We will use them. Now with the help of the mouse, we can move this text very beautifully. Here we will have an arrow in front of us with a half circle in it, with the help of which we can move it up and down and also rotate it. In this way, all copies of HL will be opened in front of you and a very beautiful piano will be created. You can move it in any way. Now we will change its background color and make it black. See how beautiful this effect is? We call it flip effect, flip text effect. Now I'm going to show you another effect of this. We're going to do all the processing exactly like we did before, but at the end we have one more option to change its shape from top to bottom. According to this shape, our image will also change and it will look smaller from the front and bigger from the back, or bigger from the front and smaller from the back. I have told you this very briefly. It has a lot of detail, and we can create many more effects, and we can create flip text effect, and many other ways on Illustrator. For that I will make the next video, inshallah. I will definitely make it. See how easily you have created such a great effect. You must try it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.